Hey everybody, it's First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Benovich. Hope you're being safe today because it is pouring cold, miserable day outside. So good day to be inside. Today's topic is brought to us from Larry Sprinkle today. He's going to talk about space travel, one of my favorite things as well, traveling to the moon. He's going to go over some of the history of that and maybe our next mission because we're coming up, the first test of the new launch vehicle to get U.S. astronauts into space. So maybe for the first time since the shuttle era, we're going to have the possibility of happening. That's going to happen later this month. So today's topic is about space travel and the moon with Larry Sprinkle. Enjoy.
School, a little bit different. We're combining space travel and weather all at the same time. I don't know about you, but I remember as a little kid looking up at the moon and thinking, what would it be like to be up there? I mean, we can see it. I mean, you could look at it, and with a telescope or even binoculars, you can get a good view of it. So how would it be to land on the moon? Well, we did that 51 years ago. We landed on the moon. How would you like to go there? Ever thought about it? Looking at the moon and maybe the thoughts of one day going there, because it's going to happen again. The United States is committed to putting the first woman and the next man on the moon sometime in 2024. Now, on the moon, there's almost no atmosphere as we get back into the weather part of this. Almost no atmosphere at all. That means no wind. That means very little weather like what we have on Earth. So as we look from Earth at the moon, what about it? What's intriguing about it? Well, it's still really interesting, the thoughts that we could actually make it there. We did it before, and we'll do it again. And who knows, maybe one day, just about anybody could do it. You know, we could maybe have flights up there. Well, first of all, the moon is 239,000 miles from Earth. That's a long way out there. That's about a 3-day trip. So that's really not that bad when you consider that one day we'll probably go to Mars. The last manned trip to the moon was 1972. That's when Gene Cernan was the last man to actually stand on the moon surface back in December of 1972. So think about it. You're on that rocket. You're headed to the moon. You're going to land on the moon like we did many, many years ago. Wow. We get on the moon, the lunar rover, and we drive around on the moon's surface. Looks like fun, doesn't it? Yes, a lot of fun. Well, it takes a big, powerful rocket to do that, and NASA is working along with some U.S. commercial spaceflight companies and even some international partners. The goal of landing on the moon. The last two men to do that, not the last two, but the first two to do that, were Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong. That was Apollo 11 back in 1969. They were there, the first men on the moon. Pretty exciting when you think about it. Look at that. Your imagination could put you there, put you right there on the moon's surface, and what an exciting time. And you got the lunar lander right there, lunar module. You know, you drive around on the moon's surface and look out at Earth and say, here I am, up on the moon. Well, it's the Artemis Moon Project by NASA that's kind of working on this and hopefully putting someone back on the moon. And really, once again, they're planning on 2024. It may be extended a little bit later than that. But when you land on the moon and you're standing there, you have to be in that special space outfit because, once again, it's not the most exciting place to be if you didn't have a spacesuit on. And here is your moon forecast to show you pretty dramatically how it is on the moon. The high today, 253 degrees Fahrenheit. The low tonight, minus 243 degrees. So that's the weather part of going to the moon. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be there too.
Hey, Larry. Yeah, great. And that Artemis project is going to be really cool. They're actually, I think that the test is coming up next week. So it should be really interesting to see that going on down at Cape Canaveral as they do that first. So